Sweetnight mattress in a box, smartly shipped to your door for easy setup. About Sweetnight mattresses, we know how hard it is to find the perfect mattress that just fits. We believe everyone should sleep well and feel refreshed after a night of rest. After over 10,000 users' experience, feedback, studies people, bodies, countless material testing, we have created this patented bed mattress just for you. What makes Sweetnight 12-inch gel memory foam mattress so different? The gel memory foam utilizes the unique properties of the gel, helping to provide both pressure point relief and a cool, comfortable sleep environment. Slowly adjust to the weight and contour of your body, providing long-lasting support and enhanced motion separation. Easy care, washable and removable zippered mattress cover. Compatible with all setups, the Queen mattresses are designed to rest on any firm, flat surface. No matter box spring, foundation, platform or slatted base, adjustable bed, hospital bed, even you can position on the floor. Fits all sleepers. Our mattresses are designed for any body type, any sleeping style and any season. Whether you are a side sleeper, back sleeper, stomach sleeper or you are with a partner, light or heavyweight, you get adequate support from a 12 inches memory foam mattress. Enjoy the medium firm memory foam mattress. What is in the box? 1x Sweetnight Gel Foam Mattress, 1x Night Sleep Opener, 1x Manual and Card Note. Do not be alarmed if it has a slight odor. It is normal with new foam. Let the mattress air out. About 1 to 2 days would be helpful. Endeavor to open your mattress package within 72 hours of receipt and allow 72 hours for your new mattress to return to its original, plush shape. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Removable and washable mattress cover with zipper for easy care. Sweetnight 12-inch Queen mattress is made with 2 layers covers. The outer cover is attached by a zipper, made with skin-friendly rayon fabric. Helps circulate air and wick away heat for sleeping cool. It is easy care for, washable, and removable. While the inner cover protects your memory foam mattress well, even you can sleep on it directly without sheets. Number 2. 3-zone exclusive foam for relaxing night of sleep. The queen-size mattress is designed with exclusive foam. 4 layers and 3 zones better adapt to the size, shape, and weight of anybody for the perfect level of support. Keeps your body properly aligned, relieves pressure at a comfortable, cooling sleep. This mattress queen size helps those with back pain and sweat with a medium firm feel. Number 3. Gel-infused memory foam for motion disturbance and back support. Made with pillow-top gel memory foam and high-density foam, the Queen memory foam mattress provides a full 12 inches of comfort and support. Cradle your body and relieve pressure in your shoulders, spine, hips and feet. The foam core also provides balanced support and eliminates motion disturbance. Talk about the best bedtime story with this Queen foam mattress. Number 4. No concern sleep and 10-year promise. We as the maker, the fair price pillow top Queen mattresses you can get. CertiPure US certified, free of unhealthy chemicals like formaldehyde, mercury, and other heavy metals, ensuring a no concern sleep. Our queen size mattresses come with 10 years. Over 96% of our customers keep their gel memory foam mattress and refer it to others. They fit all frames, such as box spring, floor, slatted base, flat platform. Number 5. Smartly shipped and mattress in a box. Our mattresses queen size is compressed, rolled and shipped in a box conveniently to your door for easy setup. Easy to move through narrow hallways and staircases. Recovery of 72 hours is recommended for your new mattress to get to its original and plush shape. We recommend sleeping on a gel mattress for a few weeks in order to give your mattress a chance to break in to the way you sleep. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.